Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to make highlights private on Instagram. In order to do this, first of all, navigate to your Instagram application. After opening your Instagram application, you'll have to click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. When you click on your profile icon, you will see this page. On this page, click on the plus icon at the top right corner in the middle and you will see some options under create. Now choose a story. After you choose a story, select the story that you want to make private. For example, I will select this story. Now you'll have to click on the close friends option at the bottom right corner. When you click on close friends, you will see your list of friends here. So go to the search bar and search for Instagram. Now select Instagram as your close friend for this story highlight and select done. So Instagram is never going to see your story. That's why I choose Instagram. You can also go to the search bar and search for any other account that is not going to see your story. For example, I can search for PlayStation, select PlayStation and click on done. When I click on done, I will have these options. Now I will select close friends and this story will be posted on my account. Now I will go back to my profile, click on my profile icon. This will open up my story and here I will get the option to choose this story as a highlight. So click on the highlight option at the bottom right corner. Now enter a name for your highlight, click on add. When you click on add, your highlight will be posted on your profile. But no one else is going to see this highlight instead of you. So open this and you can now view this highlight privately on Instagram and no one will be able to see it except your close friends. So you can open your story, click on the star icon at the top right corner, select edit your close friends list. Make sure you don't choose anyone in this to make your highlights private. And if you want some of your friends to see your highlights, you can simply search for those friends, select them, click on done, and those people will view your highlight on your profile. So that's the simple way you can make your highlights private on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.